Immunity boosting is the need of the hour. As the number of coronavirus cases are increasing rapidly in our country, India, there's even a greater need to focus more on boosting immunity levels. Hello everyone, this is Zaitish Nahar, and today I'll be focusing in detail on how can you improve your immunity levels and improve your gut health at the same time. Yes, you heard it right, gut health. Gut health is very important, and most of you are not aware how important it is to take care of your gut during this time of pandemic, because immunity comes from your gut. Your gut has 100 trillion microorganisms that help your body to fight against viruses such as coronavirus. So we need to understand that immunity is not just about popping vitamin C pills or have drinking immunity boosting waters. Yes, they are important, but what is even more important is that what kind of food choices you are making throughout the day. So today I'll help you out with the dietary choices and which will help you to build your immunity levels. So let's get started. Number 1, if you are low in micronutrients such as zinc, selenium, folate, B12, you should get them checked. If you already know that you're deficit in that, you should get it checked, and you can add natural sources of them in your diet. Number 2 is our whole grains. Concentrate more on having whole grains rather than having simple carbs. Number 3, focus more on having probiotics. Probiotics, you have good bacteria, which is important for your healthy gut. Probiotics such as curd, or you can even have pickles. Number 4 is keep yourself hydrated. Drink a lot of water throughout the day. Then again, don't have cold water. Try to have warm water as much as you can. It will flush out the toxins inside your body and help you to build your immunities. Number 5 is fermented foods. You need to add fermented foods in your diet, such as you can add idli, you can add dosa in your diet. It's quite easily available at your place. You can make it on your own, and then focus more on adding green vegetables and fresh fruits, because they'll help you out with all. They are packed with vitamins and minerals. The most important thing which I want you people to understand is that refined oils are not good for your gut at all, because it makes your gut leaky. It inflames your gut. It's not good, and your gut has to work even more. It's under more pressure when you fill your gut with refined oils. Shift to seed oils during this time. You can at least change one habit which will benefit you throughout your life. Start taking seed oils such as peanut oil. You can take mustard oil, you can take ghee, you can take coconut oil. They are better, and they are very good for your gut. They'll heal your gut, and if you have a happy gut, you'll have high immunity levels. Then of course vitamin C is very important, so you can have nimbu pani throughout the day. You can have amla water. It will help you stay hydrated. And don't indulge in a lot of sugar. Don't indulge in a lot of simple carbs such as white breads. Don't indulge in that, because they're not good for your gut. So you know try to link it with this, that if you have a good healthy gut, then automatically your immunity levels will increase. And if you want to increase your gut health, improve your gut health, what you need to do, you need to focus on these 4 to 5 tips which I've given you. Hope you all will follow these tips, and please let me know in the comments below if these tips are helping you out. Thank you so much.